Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. In this video, I will show you the unboxing and assembling of Riden RD6018 adjustable DC power supply. Let's start with unboxing. I ordered this package from AliExpress. The buy link is given in the description. These accessories are in the package, so let them check. This is cooling fan bracket. This is casing. Here are some wires and some attachments. We will check them later. This is DC power supply control panel that looks nice. This is temperature sensor, the Wi-Fi card, here are some extra thimbles, and this is a spare fuse. You can use this spare fuse in any of these sockets if you need in future. Let's unbox the 68 volt DC power supply. That looks nice. You can choose 110 or 220 volt. This supply provides 68 volt, 17.7 ampere on 220 volts and 14.7 ampere on 110 volts. Here are input and output terminals, cooling fan. Okay. Here is one micro USB cable. This is 25 ampere banana plug to alligator cable. Let them assemble. Wires, switch and power socket, 4 anti-slip feet and screws. Let's assemble the switch and power socket. Attaching the feet. Let's check the wires. These are main wires, an extension for temperature sensor, 4 output wires, This is cooling fan bracket. Attach this bracket with supply like this and screw it. This is extension for temperature sensor. Place it here and screw it. Now assemble the power supply unit in the box. And here 4 screws on the bottom. Now time to set up the power control panel. This is Wi-Fi card. Insert it here like this. This is OK. This is power input jack. Pull it to attach wires. There will be 2 positive wires on the left side and 2 negative wires on the right side. Insert the wires in the jack and tighten the screws. Two positive on the left and 2 negative on the right. Now this is ready. In main power unit, there are 3 positive output terminals and 3 negative terminals. There are main, neutral and load input terminals. Now open the cover and attach these wires here. On the output side, connect 2 positive wires. And 2 negative wires here. Here will be main load wire and main neutral wire. And this earth wire here. Now attach main negative wire directly to the power socket. And positive wire to the switch. And this tiny cable from the power socket to the switch. Now attach earth wire in the center of the socket. This is OK. Close this cover. This output jack from the power unit will be input for the power control panel. This will attach here, and here I will connect the extension cable for temperature sensor. This is extension wire for temperature sensor. Attach it right here. Now assemble this panel like this. Just place and push. That's it. Now connect the power jack here. Together the wires and tie them up. That looks nice. Now place the casing cover and screw. This socket is for temperature sensor. Let's plug the main cable to test it. That is good. There are output terminals. This is positive and this is negative. This is for charging purpose. This is micro USB port for firmware upgrade. You can go to menu by pressing Shift and 0. You can change the settings here. This is brightness. And this is power control. Okay. And this is date setting. Here is input voltage, output ampere, OVP and OCP. And temperature. Temperature is not displaying here. This is because this temperature sensor is not connected. Let it to connect. This will be connected here. This is connected. Now you can see that temperature is displaying here. Now I will test the voltage using a multimeter. I have connected multimeter probes to the negative and positive terminal. I have set the multimeter to the DC voltage and turned on the output voltage of power supply, and there is very small difference after the point value. Let's change the voltage by pressing V set button. To test again, I have set the voltage to 20. You can see that the voltage are okay. You can change the voltage by pressing V set and ampere by pressing I set. This is banana plug to alligator cable. This will be connected here to get output voltage from the power supply. I hope you enjoyed and learned from this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.